Get ready, because we're about to share 15 crazy hiccup facts with you. These facts are so wild, they will truly blow your mind. Hiccups happen because your diaphragm muscle suddenly jumps. Ooh! It's like a little surprise twitch right under your lungs. Hic! That familiar hic sound you hear, it's your throat closing super fast. It's a quick, involuntary action that creates that distinctive noise. Your diaphragm is a very important muscle located right underneath your lungs. It helps you breathe, and on occasion it gets a little jumpy. Guess what? Everyone gets hiccups. It's a everybody thing. Even the tiniest babies fresh into the world can hic up. On a crazy note, babies can even hiccup while still inside their mum's tummy. They're practicing their little diaphragm movements before they're born. The world record for the longest continuous hiccups is an astonishing 68 years. Think about it, that's an incredible 430 million hiccups in a lifetime. Can you believe that? Here's a cool one. You absolutely cannot hiccup while you're sleeping. Your body's systems are too relaxed and it just won't let you. It's not just humans. Animals get hiccups too, like playful dogs and cats, to majestic horses and even enormous whales in the ocean. Ooh. Ever eaten your food too fast? Or chugged down a fizzy drink? That's often a surefire way to trigger a bout of hiccups. Some scientists believe hiccups are a leftover reflex from when we were ancient tadpoles.
Oh my God.
It's a fascinating thought that connects us to millions of years before us. This is a weird one. Some people actually start hiccuping when they see bright sunlight. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, but for some, it causes hiccups instead. So strange. Getting super excited or laughing really, really hard can also bring on the hiccups. Your body's reactions to strong emotions can sometimes trigger them. Want to know how to stop them? Try holding your breath for about 10 seconds. This can help to reset your diaphragm and stop the spasms. Another trick, getting a sudden scare or a big surprise might just make them disappear. A quick boo can sometimes do the trick. It really works for some. Whoa! Can you believe all those amazing facts we just shared? These 15 facts about hiccups were absolutely, positively insane. Now, we want to know which one of these facts blew your mind the most. Tell us in the comments section below, which fact was the craziest? The next time you find yourself with a case of the hiccups, you won't just be hiccuping. You'll be a true hiccup expert. Wow! You've officially learned 15 incredibly crazy hiccup facts today. If your mind is completely blown by these revelations, then please smash that like button with all your might. Help us spread the word about these incredible facts. Share this video with everyone you know, your friends, family, even your pets. Make sure to subscribe to Cloudy Buds' TV for even more amazing facts and fun videos. We've got a whole world of knowledge waiting for you to discover. Thank you for tuning in to Cloudy Buds TV. We'll see you bright minds on the next one.